Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Marcus Garvey Drive. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just showing you guys what the traffic looks like on this road. And can you imagine how this is regular Friday traffic? So can you imagine before the road was rehabilitated what the traffic would be like? So here you can see bumper to bumper traffic. And this traffic is coming from the downtown area and it's heading towards Portmore or Spanish Town Road or Hagley Park Road. So basically people leaving, either they're working downtown or they're driving through the downtown area and they come onto Marcus Garvey Drive to intersect the Portmore Causeway or to go on to Hagley Park Road. So this is a good indication of just how much traffic uses this road. And it's more or less the same thing in the morning. It might be worse when the schools are open, but the schools are closed now because of the Easter holiday. Now the government or the NWA has decided to close the intersection of Retirement Road and Halfway Tree Road in Crossroads. They are going to do some drainage work and they say it's going to take 3 months. 3 months. No, it's not though. They're not doing drainage work on the entire Retirement Road. They're just at the front where Retirement Road intersects with Halfway Tree Road. And yes, it's needed because there is always potholes at that intersection and water. But we have to ask two questions. One, why now? Why wasn't this done before when there wasn't that much traffic, before schools were open back up, before during COVID time would have been the perfect time. Also, I mean, Crossroads is a major city or town in Jamaica. The amount of school children that use Crossroads, I mean, couldn't they have waited until summer when the schools are closed? Okay, that's one. Two, why is it taking 3 months just to sort out drainage? Not on an entire road at one intersection. I'm assuming the reason why it's taking so long is because it's a Jamaican contractor. If it was a Chinese working out there, that's done in no time. And I can guarantee you, if they said 3 months, it's going to take longer than 3 months. I don't know what you guys think. We're going to take we're going to make videos of the progress of the work. And we'll definitely find out who the contractor is, but it's going to be a major inconvenience for persons that use the Crossroads area, especially school children that use the buses, because they're further down Retirement. When you turn off Halfway Tree Road and go down Retirement Road, there's a bus park. It won't affect the operation of the bus park, but it will affect the buses getting easy access to Halfway Tree Road. Now there are alternative roads, and I can almost guarantee you, we haven't driven there, but I'm going to bet NWA has not patched one pothole on those alternate roads. I can almost bet that NWA has not done any sort of changes to the road structure, make it a one-way, anything to facilitate the increased traffic that's going to come on those roads. And I'm almost sure, well, I shouldn't say that, but I hope the police will be out in full force for those 3 months to ensure the flow of traffic, that people maintain law and order on the roads, because the amount of buses and taxis that use Crossroads, you're going to, where it's a 2-lane road, it's going to turn into 4. and the roads are going to be blocked. It happens everywhere. Whenever there's traffic, the buses and the taxis refuse to drive in the line of traffic. They have to overtake, and the road gets congested even more. So I just hope the authorities are on top of it in terms of the police. And another question is, the news about this road closure came out, I think, yesterday, and the road was to be closed the next day. So why couldn't they have given more notice? It's, as we said, the road needs to be fixed, but it's just the timing. And have they made proper arrangements for in terms of the other roads that the traffic is going to be now on? Let's see. We're going to drive on the road and see what's going on. We'll keep you updated. We'll keep making videos. But I just think that the timing is all wrong. It should have been done over the summer. And then now it's raining like every day in Jamaica. So you know that's going to slow down the work, especially if it's a local contractor. And we're not knocking the local contractors, but they don't finish the jobs on time. They just don't. The Chinese work much faster. We're not creating any problems. It's just a fact. If you look at the roads that the Chinese build in Jamaica, they finish on time. The roads are done very good. Drainage, everything works. You can look at the highways, Highway 2000, the Edward Siaga Highway, the North-South Highway. Those roads don't have, well, the Chinese didn't build both. I think a French company built one. But going forward now, it's the Chinese that build all the roads. The 3 miles overpass, Chinese did it, was done on time. There was this road up in Junction, in the St. Mary End. I think they call it the Junction Main Road. Local contractors were doing it, and the road has been delayed years. I'm not even sure if it's finished. I think the last time we drove on it, a part of it was finished. But it was delayed for years. Not even months, years. And every excuse you can think of. And when you look at 3 miles overpass, it's probably the most advanced road network in Jamaica because it's a double overpass. The Chinese knock it out in no time. Market, there are other issues. Yes, there are issues with every project, but let's see. 3 months just seem like a long time, and if it's a local contractors, it's going to be all 5 months. Maybe they start it now so that it will be ready for the September school term. But as I said, we'll keep you updated on the project. We'll use our drone and take footage of the progress and the work that's going on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.